So for breakfast today, I decided to make oatmeal. So you're gonna start off with your oats. Use whatever kind of oats you want, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit of some hot water to cook my oats. I use my favorite almond milk for this recipe as well. Once my oats were cooked, I went ahead and added my sliced almonds. I added some dried cranberries, and to make it a little sweet, or just to add a little bit more taste to it, I added some maple syrup for this recipe, and that was pretty much it, and breakfast was complete. So for my second breakfast idea, I decided to go ahead with a smoothie on this day, and here are some of the ingredients that I included. When I make smoothies, I like to first blend up the frozen fruit because it makes it easier when blending it, and then I add the rest of my ingredients, and I go ahead and blend that up. I will say for this recipe, I did not have any toast or anything, so I enjoyed this smoothie with like a little waffle on the side, and I compared the two together, and it was pretty delicious. So for my third breakfast idea, I decided to go ahead and make a smoothie bowl, something quick and easy. I went ahead and blended up my ingredients, poured it into my bowl, and then I topped it with some of my favorite toppings. I had a banana that I forgot to add to my smoothie, so I went ahead and used that. I added some sliced almonds, and then I also added some cranberries, and I used this granola crunch bar, basically what I had at home, to add a little bit more crunch to my smoothie, and I enjoyed